Hello guys, and so I want to teach you another song. Alright, so it's Bigger Every Day by Moses Bliss. Alright, so it's the song. I will do the intro and in fact try to sing the song, then I give you a full piano tutorial of the song. Alright.
Jesus in my life, living for His glory. I'm on fire every day, and nothing can stop me. Doesn't matter what I face. I am getting bigger every day, every day. I have Jesus in my life, living for His glory. I'm on fire every day, and nothing can stop me. Doesn't matter what I face. I am getting bigger every day, every day. We getting bigger every day, bigger every day. We getting bigger every day, bigger every day. No limitation, no limitation. We getting bigger every day. We getting bigger every day, bigger every day. We getting bigger every day. No limitation, no limitation. We getting bigger every day. We getting bigger every day, bigger every day. We getting bigger every day. No limitation, we take it over. We getting we getting bigger, bigger. We getting bigger. No limitation. We getting bigger. We getting bigger. We getting bigger. No limitation. We getting bigger.
Alright guys, so that's a rundown of that song. Alright guys, so it's a very simple one. Let me start with the intro.
Oh, oh, oh.
Alright, so it starts with 2. So
Re, mi, fa, fa, fa.
so while doing that, you are playing the 2. D, A, D. Alright.
Fa, mi, re, do,
So, alright. C, so C, then you play 5, broken 5 with the broken chord. That's A, G, and G. I do it again. All right. Okay. Do mi, do mi, do re mi. Okay. When you do that, you come to the one, or you play the full chord. Do re mi, do re mi, mi do, mi re do, la. Da, la do, okay, la do, B flat major, okay, B flat major. So we play B flat major, okay. Then we come to 3. That we use B flat major in Too Faithful to Fame, so it's not a case. All right, so then we do it again. All right, so then the other one.
In my life, living for His glory, I'm on fire every day.
So it's a 1, it's a 2. You can play
Re mi fa.
While playing the 2 with your left, broken chord, all right, or the chord itself. It will not sound well. Broken chord, all right. So we can also substitute while playing F. It will still sound good. Broken chord, all right. So
Jesus in my life, far. Jesus in my life, living for His glory, I'm on
come to 1.
fire every day, and nothing can stop me. Doesn't matter what I face.
Come to 5.
I am getting bigger every 6. Every day. I have Jesus in my life, living for His glory.
Come to 1.
And nothing can stop me. Doesn't matter what I face. I am getting bigger every day.
So the chord progression is a 2 or 4. 1, 5, and 6. All right. So that's the general chord progression for this song. Okay. Then
we're getting bigger every day.
it's the same thing. Even though I was playing some, I turned it to Bikosi. All right. So it's still the same thing.
Getting bigger, getting bigger,
So it's still
getting 4, 4, 4, 4, 4,
or 2, 2.
we're getting 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, we're getting 5, 5, we're getting 5, 5, we're getting 6, 6, 6, 6.
So it's the same thing, all right? So after that, he ended the song.
We getting bigger, 4, we getting 1, 1, the limitation, we take it over, we getting bigger.
So you notice that it's still the same chord progression, 4, 1, 5, 6, or 2, 1, 5, 6. All right, guys. So that's the end of the song. I hope you learned something. God bless you. Please do it to subscribe to my channel.